the real issue is in the last 7 to 8 years in the UK, we've seen the land prices really increase, but we've seen traditional construction methods really increase in price as well. And then you've had bank interest rates increasing. So everything's been going one way. And therefore, as I was mentioning, it's meant that new nursing homes have only been getting built in very wealthy areas. So the hope is by building modular, we'll be able to really keep those construction costs down, all through the fact that it's cheaper method of construction, but also we're building these care homes modular in 11 months rather than 22 months. So it means you're paying bank interest for a lot less time. So we really hope that modular is going to open up the mid-market in the UK, and that will really allow a lot of care homes to be built, because that's the biggest problem at the moment in the UK. We did look at other countries, so obviously the UK have modular construction factories. I think what we found in the UK was the prices were still very high. I think a lot of modular UK companies have failed. Especially with care homes, because they're 2 or 3 story buildings, the time saving's good, but it's not humongous. So actually, it's trying to get the actual construction cost itself down. And we found with China that there was no one else competing with price. We also looked at Poland, and again, they couldn't get close to where CMC were coming in at. And then I think what was important for us was to partner up with a specialist in modular construction, ship container manufacturing, and obviously with CMC, I think they're making a shipping container every 4 minutes is the current rate. So we really wanted to work with someone who had experience of doing it, knew how to do it, and had that expertise. And we were lucky enough to meet some people that had used CMC for hotels, and CMC referenced well. So it made sense for us, and I also think CMC's logistic business gave us the confidence that they would be able to get the modules to the site, because I think that's the biggest thing here. A lot of money is going out the door front end, and there's always a fear that something will happen to those modules while they're getting shipped from China. So I think with CMC's logistical business, that gave us the confidence that we knew that they would arrive safely, which they have in the Aptly development. In a really good place. I think there's a trust there now. I think both sides get what we're trying to achieve, see the opportunity, and I think the next one and the ones after will become a lot more easy, because we've really been on that journey now. I think CMC know what we expect and what that spec looks like, and we know what CMC needs from us. So we're feeling really confident and happy about the relationship, and we're just really keen to get the next project locked in. Yeah, absolutely. So the modules have arrived safely inside. We're absolutely delighted to see the quality inside. We very much feel it matches the spec, and like I said, that's because we took a lot of time together to work to get the spec right. So I'm delighted that when it's arrived in the UK, it has matched that. We've had loads of people come visit the site, so all the big UK funders, all the big UK REITs, all the big UK operators have all come to visit the site, and some are continuing to visit over the next few weeks, and the overall takeaway is that everyone's super impressed by it. So in answer to your question, do we think it can assist with senior living in the UK? Absolutely so. Just to give you a stat, 144,000 care beds need built in the UK in the next decade, just to keep in a straight line. And because of where pricing has gone to, it's very difficult to achieve that without coming up with imaginative methods. So I really think that Chinese modular construction is going to play a huge role in that, and being able to achieve these 144,000 care beds, and to relieve the pressure on NHS. So I guess from a macro level, that's why it really interests us. Well, look, I think the best thing for anything is repeat custom, right? And we're very much hoping that we'll be giving CMC further orders between now and the end of the year, and we wouldn't be doing that if we weren't impressed with the service and the quality of product. I think it will continue to get better, like everything, because the more the guys work with us, the more they know what we expect and want. But I think as far as the first one goes, it's been a great success. the home will be finished at the end of the year. But yeah, from our side, we are very keen to continue working with CIMC and China